guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bits credit card in 2024. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to begin using it, first is you need to actually view the details of your Bits credit card. So in this case, from the app itself, you could go ahead and click on the show details button or option there. Now, it's actually pretty straightforward process here. So in this case, this is where you'll be able to find everything that you need, such as card number or your name, essential for making online payments. Your spending limit is displayed here as well. For instance, it could be up to £200, and this means you can spend up to that amount and then repay it to help bolster your credit score. Now, it's also important to note that where you can't use or where you can use the Bits credit card. Well, it's versatile for most purchases. It's restricted at petrol stations, ATMs, gambling establishments, and similar places categorized as a quasi-cash transaction. This precaution ensures that you can manage your spending responsibly. Now, the Bits credit card is particularly beneficial for building credit. There are no balance transfers or cash withdrawals to complicate things. There are no gimmicks that might tempt you to overspend, and moreover, all of your transactions are reported to the top 3 credit bureaus, which means using the card responsibly will positively impact your credit score. Now, to get started with your Bits credit card, become a Bits credit member to receive both digital and physical card. This can be used strategically to improve your credit worthiness over time. That wraps up our guide here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.